How to send email attachments on Google Chat automatically. So whenever you receive any new email in your Gmail account with an attachment, you can send notification about this email on Google Chat to your team automatically along with all details. And this automation is useful when you and your team want to receive the notification about specific type of email. So let's say you are from the recruitment team and you want to receive the notification about the job related emails. In that case, you can use this automation. Or let's say you are from the accounts team and you and your team want to get notified about every payment success related emails on Google Chat. So in this way, this automation can be used in several cases. To automate this process, I'll have to build an integration in Gmail application and in Google Chat application, and I'm going to do that with the Pabbly Connect. It is an amazing integration and automation software, and I'm already an existing user of Pabbly Connect, and here you can see I am already logged in here. Okay, you can also create your free account in just 2 minutes, where you will also get free tasks to test such kinds of automation. Okay, once you will reach to the dashboard, click on this blue button, that is create workflow, and provide any random name to your workflow, to your automation. Okay, so I'm providing the name as get notifications on Google Chat about incoming emails on Gmail. Okay, now click on create, and then you will find 2 boxes in front of you. So these are trigger and action. So trigger means when this happens, action means automatically do this. Okay, when this happens, do this. Understand with an example also. Whenever a sale happen, let's say in a payment gateway application, then automatically send an email via Gmail application. Okay, according to our use case, whenever any new email is received in Gmail application, then automatically send a notification about this email on Google Chat application. Okay, so this is how you need to always select the applications in which you are building an automation. But in this particular case, instead of selecting this Gmail directly, I am going to select the email parser, which is an amazing feature of Pabbly Connect. And with the help of email parser only, I am going to build an integration in between Gmail and Google Chat. Okay, so the idea here is I'm going to connect the Gmail with the Pabbly Connect with the help of this email parser. So here you can see it has provided us an email ID, email address. Okay, so I will be copying this email address, and you will have to read these instructions also. Okay, so simply copy this email, go back to your Gmail account which you would like to connect with the Pabbly Connect, basically via which you would like to receive the notification. Okay, now directly click on the settings section, click on see all settings, and then you will find an option of the forwarding and POP IMA app. Okay, and whatever the email address already available here, firstly I'm going to remove this email address, and then I will be adding a new forwarding email address, and this email address is the same email address which we have received via Pabbly Connect. Okay, coming back, click on next, and then it will ask you for the verification. Okay, so simply click on proceed, and it will send a confirmation code to this particular email address. Okay, so click on OK, come back to Pabbly Connect, and here you can see a response is received inside Pabbly Connect. Okay, and in this response you will have to directly go to this body text. Okay, and in this body text you will find your confirmation code. Okay, so copy this confirmation code, then come back to your Gmail account. Okay, and here exactly you will have to paste that confirmation code, and this is how the verification process can be done. Okay, and make sure you enable this forward a copy of income in this particular option. Okay, so firstly enable this option, basically change this radio button and click on save changes, and this is how you can first build a connection in Gmail and Pabbly Connect. Okay, so now onwards what will happen, every time a new email is received in this particular Gmail account, those emails will be received via Pabbly Connect as well. Okay, so click on this recapture email response button, and here you can see it has started waiting for that email response. Okay, so I'm going to send a dummy email to this specific Gmail address in front of you, and you will see how the very same email will be received via Pabbly Connect as well. Okay, so this is my another Gmail account. Okay, and I have already added the email address of that Gmail account which I have connected with Pabbly Connect. Hello, I saw your ad on Facebook about the digital marketing vacancy in your company. I'm attaching my resume for your reference. Okay, and applying for the digital marketing vacancy. I have added this specific subject line, okay, and now I am also going to attach a sample resume in front of you. Alright, so this is the resume sample. I am going to attach this specific document and click on send, and this email will be firstly received on this specific Gmail address, and then you will see how the same email will be received via Pabbly Connect as well. Okay, I'll have to wait for that email to be received here. Okay, and here you can see the very same email is arrived here. The subject line is same, that is applying for digital marketing vacancy. Hello, I saw your ad on Facebook about the digital marketing vacancy in your company. I'm attaching my resume for your reference, and here we have the very same resume file. Okay, so this is just a sample resume file. All right, now coming back to Pabbly Connect, and here you can see the very same email details also received via Pabbly Connect. Let me show you the details one by one. So here I will take you at the end of the response, and then you will find the attachment link. Okay, and this is the same resume file, same attachment link. Okay, let me open it in front of you, and you will be able to find that this is the very same file. Okay, and this was the attachment. Let me also show you that under this body text you will find that email content also. You will also send the sender email address, the sender email ID, and you will also find your email address, and where is the subject line. All right, here you can find the subject line also. Okay, so now onwards what will happen, every time a new email is received into this particular Gmail account, that email will be received via Pabbly Connect. All right, let me show you, and this email will be received instantly because the trigger here is actually the instant. This trigger will instantly capture new incoming data, and the workflow execution will start in real time. Okay, but I do not want to send every email notification on Google Chat. Okay, firstly I want that these emails should be filtered. Okay, so how I am going to filter these emails, because I just want to receive the notification which email consists of the words like the digital marketing, or maybe the job, or maybe the resume, or maybe the attachment. Okay, I just want to receive the notification only about the job application. Okay, so how I am going to do that? Well, we are going to apply this condition with the help of filter, which is an amazing feature of Pabbly Connect, via which you can apply different kinds of conditions within your automation, within your workflow. Okay, and in this case I will be applying the condition maybe on the subject line. Okay, or maybe on this content also. Okay, so my subject line, if my subject line consists of the words like job, resume, or if my email content will consist of the words like job, resume, in that case the automation should send the notification, otherwise the automation should stop here only. Okay, so in this select label I will be searching for the subject line. Okay, and here you can see the data which is visible here, it is the same data which we have just received into our previous step. Okay, into our previous response. Okay, so I'm going to search for this data, and firstly I will be applying this condition on the subject line. Okay, if the subject line contains, okay, you will have to change it from equal to contain. Okay, if subject line contains job, okay, and I will add one more condition. Basically it is going to be an or condition. Either it should contain the job word, or it should contain the vacancy word, and here again it should be available into the subject line only. Okay, the search bar is not here. Okay, you will have to search here. Okay, where is the subject line? Okay, if your subject line contains the word like vacancy, or I can also add one more condition, that is resume. Okay, if my subject line contains the word like resume, in that case this automation should proceed. Okay, I will add resume as well. Okay, along with this you can add 3 more condition. Okay, so instead of applying this condition on the subject line, you can also apply this condition on the body of the email. Okay, so where is the body of the email, let me show you. Here we have this body text, okay, and in this body text also you can apply the same condition that if your body text contains several kind of words, okay. So this is how you can apply one by one several condition, okay. Now I'll click on this button save and send test request, and I'm just applying only these three condition basically on the subject line only, because I just wanted to show you how conditions can be applied. Now you can apply the conditions as per your requirement, okay. So here you can see condition is true. Why? Because in our subject line we actually consist of this vacancy word, okay. That is why the condition is true. If any of these conditions are not satisfied, in that case the condition will be false and this automation will stop here only. But in our case the condition is true. So if the condition is true, what should be the next step? So basically it should send the notification to your team on Google Chat, okay. So since we want to send the notification on Google Chat application, okay, I'm sorry for that. So that is why I will be searching for the Google Chat here. And now just like we have connected our Gmail account with Pabbly Connect, we are also going to connect this Google Chat application with the Pabbly Connect, okay. Simply select create message and action event and then click on connect. Alright, it is connected immediately because I'm already logged in into my Google Chat account, into my Gmail account, and here you can see it is asking for the chat webhook URL. So from where you can get this URL? So you will have to go to your Google Chat space, and here you can see I have created a group with the name Pabbly Recruitment Team. Basically in whatever the group, in whatever the space you would like to receive the notification, you'll have to open the arrow, okay. You'll have to click on that arrow and then you will find an option of this apps and integration. Click on that and then click on this manage webhook option, okay. Here you can see one webhook is already created. Firstly I am going to delete this existing webhook, okay. Now I will be providing a name to my new webhook. Here I will be adding this connection with the Gmail, okay. You can provide any random name. Asking for the avatar URL, well, you can visit this documentation, okay. Here you can see simply click on this hyperlink and you will reach to the documentation, okay. And in this documentation, from this documentation only I will get the avatar URL, okay. So here you can see we have this avatar URL. I have already copied and let me paste the same. Make sure you also removed the end of full stop of end, okay. Click on save and this is how you will get that chat URL, okay. Simply copy that chat URL, come back to Pabbly Connect, paste your webhook URL here. Alright, it is done. Secondly, it is asking for the message. Finally we are going to compose the message, the notification which we would like to send, okay. So I have already composed a very nice message. Let me show you. Firstly I'm going to copy this from the notepad and I am going to do the formatting of this particular email, okay. Hello recruitment team, a new email is received on your Gmail account. I'm sharing the details of the sender and here I will be adding the sender name. Alright, let me press enter. Here we have this email ID, okay. I will be sharing the email ID of the person with my team. Email content, I will add the email content here, and lastly I am going to also share the attachment link or maybe the resume link, okay. So this is the message I am going to send to my team. If the email is about the job application, then please follow back this candidate and see which profile is best for him as per the qualification and experience, okay. Thanks, HR manager. Enjoy automations by Pabbly, okay. And now I am going to provide the details one by one. So from where I will add these details? Remember we have received the data into our previous step which was Gmail, okay. I am going to provide the data from this particular response only, and I don't need to manually copy this data and paste it here. When you will click on these fields, you will find this data into the dropdown, okay. Let me show you how you can do that. Simply click on this particular field, okay. So if you want to add the sender name, click on this field and you will find the above two-step data here. I am going to open the data of the email parser, and here I will be searching for the name of the sender. So the name of the sender was Sonam Rai, so I have mapped it. Asking for the email IDs, so instead of mapping the email ID from from this drop down data I will be adding any random email ID, because I cannot share that email ID here. Okay, gmail.com. Assume that I have taken that ID from this data only, asking for the email content. So let me search for that body text. Okay, body text. Here you can see, hello, I saw your ad on Facebook. Lastly, I will be adding that attachment link. Remember the link I have shown you, that attachment. Where is the attachment link? All right, here we have this link. Okay, so I think I have composed all my email. Okay, and you must be thinking that what is this mapping of information? Okay, so whatever the details you are going to map here will replace automatically when this automation will work in real time. Okay, so next time a next email is received, this name will be replaced by the name of the different candidate with the next candidate. Okay, so that is why mapping plays a major role in this automation, and this is how this automation is going to take place. Let me click on this button, save and send test request, and I'm really expecting that message to be arrived here. And here you can see, as soon as I have clicked on that button, the email is arrived. Basically the notification about that email is received. Okay, hello recruitment team, a new email is received on your Gmail account. I'm sharing the details of the sender name is here, email ID is here, email content is here, and here we have the attachment link, basically the resume link as well, and it is the same file, okay, which we have attached at the time of sending. Okay, so this is how now onwards, every time someone is going to send any email here, firstly that email will be filtered automatically, and if that email is about any job application, about resume, in that case your recruitment team will automatically receive a notification along with all details. And to automate this process, you need to create this automation inside Pabbly Connect just once. After that you can sit back and relax, because Pabbly Connect will take care of all the tasks in the backend. You do not have to do anything manually after setting up this automation inside Pabbly Connect. And just in case if you want to access this workflow inside your Pabbly Connect account, I will also attach the link of this workflow into my description box. You just need to click on this shareable link and sign up into the Pabbly Connect, and then you will be able to access this workflow, this automation inside your Pabbly Connect account, that too for free. Not just these applications, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. My team will surely answer to your questions. This is the website of Pabbly Connect, and for the latest updates of Pabbly Connect and unique automation ideas, you can join our Facebook group, that is formget.deals. If you have found this video helpful in any way, share it with your friends and colleagues, and also help them to automate their business. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.